Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove and add background to your videos in CapCut. So here I've already added a video to CapCut, and first I'm going to remove the current background of this video. So click on the video and swipe until you found the remove BG option. Click on the auto removal, and now the CapCut will remove the background of the video. Click on a check icon, and to add a new background you need to go back. Okay, so let's wait until this process is done. Okay, so the background is fully removed. Now to add a new background, use this background menu at the bottom and choose between color, image, or blur. Let's try the blur first, like this. And I'm going to use image and use this, for example, this color or this image as the new background. Don't forget to click on the check icon and you are done. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, also click on the thanks. Bye.